Hello, children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing great. Today, we are going to discuss about our Children's Day. This week, I have given you the topic How do you want to celebrate the Children's Day? What is Children's Day? First, tell me who are children. You, right? You all are our cute little children. I was also a child. Your mom, your dad, your grandparents, everyone. We have learned in our EVS, right? What is that? We grow from child to an adult, right? So all of us had a great childhood, and everyone's childhood is so very precious. So enjoy the Children's Day. So how do you want to? When I we had school, what did we do? We had cake cuttings. All the children were playful, and you remember, teachers danced and you were the spectators, you were watching us. Yes, that was how we enjoyed our Children's Day. So now in this virtual situation, how are you going to celebrate this Children's Day? I want a short video. Okay. So if I am in my case, I would call few children to my house, and we will cut the cake, and everyone will be portraying their own talent. Like someone will be singing, someone is painting, and someone will be playing a music on an instrument, someone is dancing. I want uh, mm, every child has their own talent, so I want to see that talent. So how do you want to celebrate your Children's Day? You send me. And one more thing I just wanted to tell you about the competition which is going to get conducted on Children's Day. On Children's Day, we are asking you to dress up as a national leader. Who are our national leaders? Name some. Like, we always say first Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, right? So many other, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bhagat Singh. Yes, they are our national leaders always. The problem then was only freedom from British. So they troubleshooted that with their own vision, with their own thought process, with their own leadership quality. Right? Now we don't face that problem anymore, but problems still exist. Nowadays the problems are different. Like, listen, when you see a child like you serving in a hotel or cleaning the plates, cleaning the table, do you like? Do you feel good about that? No, we don't. But what step do we take? Maximum we give 100 rupees or 200 rupees for his for buying clothes, sweets. That's all right. Not much more than that. But a man with a vision of eliminating this. What is this called? This particular issue is called child labor. Man, the name of the man is Kailash Satyarthi. He is from Madhya Pradesh. He thought, no, I am not going to accept this. And he worked towards this with a vision to eliminate child labor. And you know what is the result? He did it to a long extent. And he is awarded Nobel Prize. Great. That is a leader. Now the problems are changing. So when you see a social problem, and if you take a step towards it, that makes you a real leader. With a vision, you work towards it and you are successful and you become a leader. So I want you not to just portray those leaders who fought for our freedom, but I want you to portray this also, represent leaders like Kailash Satyarthi. And one more, forest conservation. What is that? Forest conservation. We say people no cutting trees, don't cut trees. We take those placards and we go for slogans, no cutting tree, uh, there is no planet B, please don't do this. But no, a man with a vision again, what did he do? In Uttarakhand, we have dynamic, dense forest, thousands years ago, those trees. When people took a step to cut those trees and in the name of development, the man Sundarlal Bahuguna, repeat after me, Sundarlal Bahuguna, he said, no, I am not going to allow you to do this. Then how did he do that? He hugged the tree. Whichever tree he hugged, he asked them to go over him. People could not. And he built a great team, followers, who all liked the idea of not cutting trees in this way. They all followed him. What was that? Chipko Andolan. Chipko is in Hindi hugging. Chipko Andolan. He hugged the tree and did not let anyone touch the trees to cut. So he is also a leader. In that way, he preserved our forests in Uttarakhand. He is Sundarlal Bahuguna. The other man which I told, the other person is Kailash Satyarthi. So we can follow them also. And recently, Tulsi Gowda, she is awarded Padma Shri. She planted 1 lakh trees. She works for a small organization in Karnataka. She planted 1 lakh trees by herself. So why don't we follow them? They are the real leaders. So whenever there is a problem and you troubleshoot with the social problem, and you troubleshoot that problem with a vision, with a clear vision, you become a real leader. Happy Children's Day to all my loving children. All the very best. I want you to see with a representation of a great leader. Okay? Thank you. I'll be sending you the pictures and videos of those two leaders also. Thank you, children. Bye bye.